Hola, welcome or welcome back to Kim at Home. Today, I'm going to start off the video in the kitchen with my youngest daughter. We are making pumpkin bread. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. I really appreciate it. Before you leave out, please don't forget to hit the like button. 1 2/3 cup of flour. And please consider subscribing to my channel. A 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. The recipe I use will be linked below in the description box. Since we are now mixing the liquids, I thought I'd pull this out. It's my new Casa Vida silicone spatula set, and there are all the pieces that go with this. Let me show you really quickly. With all of these spatula sets, there are so many things that come with it. You can use these tools for baking, cooking, all kinds of different things. Think about the utensils that you use while cooking. You mainly grab for your spatula, and these are very sturdy spatulas. It's funny because I said I needed one of these brushes right here because we'll be making turkey soon. But yeah, here are all of the parts. You have a set of 8 and it even comes with the tongs. These are really pretty too. They're aesthetically pleasing and they come in more than one color. The great thing about these is they are dishwasher safe. These are strong, sturdy, and easy to clean. The spatula set is very helpful when you're making custards, batters, mashed potatoes, that sort of thing, or even this pumpkin bread we're making. Silicone spatula sets are heat resistant and they're really good for when you use nonstick pots and pans. 2 large eggs. So this is a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of milk. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. So how does it mix? Does it feel good, the spatula?
Soft. It won't like give you blisters.
Soft and it won't give you blisters. I'm liking it. Okay.
This is what it looks like after a minute of mixing.
And now we're gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of butter that's melted. This is a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and then we're gonna add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. I must say, the spatulas work so well with getting the batter off the sides of the bowl. Christmas is coming up and these are so good for a gift or even a birthday present. I will leave the information in my description box in case you're interested in purchasing these. There are so many different sizes and I'm sure you can find use for all of them. 'Cause you heal my aching heart. When you come Here is what we are looking like, and now this is going to go in the oven on 350 for an hour and 15 minutes. This bread was so good and it only lasted 2 days in my house. Every single one of my cabinets in my house, and my drawers as well, they need some organizing. It's just really bad. So I decided that I wanted to get this handled and tackled just because every time I opened up the doors, something would fall on me. So that got a little bit irritating. So I just wanted to get this handled. And if you've been around for a while, you know that my closet in my bedroom is a hot mess. Well, guess what? It's still a hot mess because I just do not have the energy to work on it right now. I was just lonely, but since you came around, I could see all I see is tomorrow. This cabinet looks much neater and it's also clean. That's exactly what I was going for. This is not Pinterest organizing. This is realistic. I've been around, you've stayed away. Oh, I won't let it show. You gotta hold on to me. I received a lot of questions from people regarding my chronic fatigue syndrome, and they're asking me, like, how do you keep your house clean? How do things stay, in its place, in its home, all that great stuff? Well, let me just tell you, I clean something every single day because I cannot clean my entire house in one day. There's just no possible way. My body cannot handle it. So I deep clean something every day. So on my weekend, I won't really have a lot to do, just, regular straightening up. And that is how I keep up with my home. All of my videos are a great example of just keeping up with things. I don't think I've ever cleaned my entire house in one of my videos ever. I'm sure, 100% sure that I have not. So yeah. If you or someone you know is suffering from chronic fatigue syndrome, just take your time, listen to your body, and rest. So dumb. I wish I could Everything in the bathroom today, including the mirrors, are being cleaned with vinegar or Mr. Clean yellow disinfectant. It's just really time to disinfect in here. I didn't have to clean out my shower because I did that yesterday, as well as my personal mirror in front of my sink, but everything else needed to be cleaned in here.
Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head.
When it's finally time to deep clean your bathroom and disinfect, do not forget those doors. Those doors can get very dirty. Think about it. Right there, the door that I'm specifically cleaning right now is where my water room is. And if I did not clean that door, that would just be gross, okay? So don't forget to clean your doors. Everything's nice and clean in my bathroom. I scrubbed down the shower yesterday, so I didn't need to do it today. And I don't normally like mop on camera in my bathroom because it's just too much. And I feel like my bathroom's really narrow. But anyway, here is your after shot. When I clean my husband's stuff off, I just put it right back where it was because I don't like people messing with my stuff, and I know he doesn't either. Everything over here is clean, wiped off, and then my bathtub looks amazing, nice and shiny. To break down and paint this thing, but here is what it's looking like. It's looking so much better than what it was. You know, it just has a lot of fingerprints because it's white. One thing about having a home where everything is white, well, not everything, but you know what I'm saying. It really doesn't look like it's dirty when it is, but then when you wipe something off, you're like, gosh, where did all that dust come from? And then whatever you're wiping is normally a whole different color. It just gets really dusty. How are you guys doing today? You'll have to let me know below in the comments. Have you decorated for Christmas yet? What is your theme? Okay, so let's talk about Kim's theme. Kim doesn't have a theme because I don't like to be put in a box. So what I will do is just mix and match different items that I like around my home for Christmas so that I can be happy. Because you know what? It's the most wonderful time of the year, right? So you should be happy with whatever you decide to do. My stairs need a makeover so bad. Stairs are really expensive. I don't know if you know that or not. So I'm gonna try to do a DIY on my stairs prior to like forking out a bunch of money that I don't have to get it fixed. Imagine hearing that noise every time you walk down the stairs. And I'm talking like, let's say it's 3 a.m. and someone needs to go down the stairs. Everybody in the house can hear it, okay? So this is what I'm gonna do to fix it. This has to dry for 2 hours, and then once it dries, I'm gonna put the wood filler in there just to see if it helps with this. And if it does, your girl gonna be sanding and painting these steps, okay? I'm just saying. Okay, so what's the color that I need to paint the stairs? Leave a comment down below. I changed some things around in my living room. I pulled this out, something that I've had for almost 4 years, and I didn't really think it matched my decor, but it looks good in the front. About, I don't know, 2 months ago, I actually painted this mirror. I bought the mirror, painted the mirror, took the old mirror down, which is right there. It looks really, really bare, and I still haven't hung it up yet. To my defense, though, our walls are terrible, and I'm so afraid, and I need to make sure that I do something like this, but I'm gonna need someone to help me. Cause yeah, I got some of my Christmas stuff out. No, I am not decorating. I decorate the day after Thanksgiving. I'm gonna make a DIY with some of these items that I have. Y'all know, if you've been here for a while, that I love trees. I'm obsessed with like a winter wonderland theme.
Christmas tree
I'm liking that. That's really cute. But we didn't clean it off first, so we have to remove all of that and then clean it off. And then put that stuff back. If you have children, always clean with them, always cook with them, always show them how to do things. That's how I know how to do a lot of things around the house because my dad showed me. And now I'm showing my kids. My oldest is 21, my youngest is 11, and they pretty much know how to do almost everything. I love her creation. She comes up with the cutest things. And guess what? She's a great organizer.
Oh, they're hugging.
She was referring to the trees in her snow globe. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate you more than you could even imagine. Please do not forget to hit the like button as it helps my channel. There's just all these billions of algorithms out there, and the more likes you have, the more YouTube will actually push your videos out. It really helps every YouTuber that you could ever support. Also, if you have not subscribed, please do so.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging, oh Christmas tree.
It really amazes me how you can go through your home and find decor that you're no longer using, switch it up, and make a DIY out of it. That's exactly what we did. While I was doing my DIY, I put some food on because you know I'm always hungry. Here's what it looks like. You'll have to let me know below in the comments how often you're cleaning off your dining chairs. I will say that I completely and utterly neglect these. And I feel like I only clean them when they look dirty, but I should probably step up my game. My long-term goal is to eventually just get a new table. I want a different type of style, and I also want different types of chairs. I want actual chairs with a back. Just saying that out loud made me think maybe that's why you don't sit there often, because I really don't, like, at all. We all have different eating schedules, and very seldom is it that we're eating all at once all together. There was a lot of debris on the floor. There was fake snow falling around and just, you know, other stuff like food. Here's what it's looking like. Am I the only person who always finds debris everywhere on the floors, even when you don't wear your shoes in the house? Like there's random leaves and grass and mulch. I don't understand. When mopping, I use my O-Cedar mop that has a cloth attached to it, and there is no spray cartridge, so I'm actually my spray cartridge person. I'm spraying the floor down with vinegar and just mopping it really good. A few months ago, I had a conversation with a Lowe's worker on how to fix my stairs. Like I had all these ideas in my mind, and this was something that he had suggested. So if it doesn't work, I'm going to go to Lowe's and let him know. The liquid part that I put in basically expands the wood, and now this is the wood filler. And I'm just getting the dry pieces up so it's easier for me to clean. Listen, If I went to somebody's house and I saw this, I would be thinking they did voodoo, okay? But we love Jesus here. Anyway, I'm hoping that this will work. I guess you will have to find out in my next video. I may even have a stair project.
That time will treat us well.
Please do not forget to leave your suggested paint colors below in the description box as to what color these stairs should be. Walking up the stairs and looking at this, I'm thinking to myself, this is gonna work. I know it is. I'm excited about it. It's just gonna work out. I will believe nothing else. I'm putting it out in the atmosphere. Thank you so much for being here. Bye, guys.